Welcome to a video from DigitalLifestyle.com. In this video we're going to look at build 23560 of Windows 11 for Windows Insiders on the dev channel. There's not a huge amount of this one, but I did want to do this video because there's a bit of confusion about what Microsoft said with the changes. So the first one is Alt-Tab, and people are reading this as Microsoft are putting Copilot into Alt-Tab. So Copilot is the AI assistant that sits there like that, which you can launch like that, and people at Microsoft said that you can use Alt-Tab to switch between Copilot. And the thing that I think people are missing is the sentence Copilot only shows in Alt-Tab if Copilot is invoked from the taskbar. So what I mean by that is if you do Alt-Tab and you've not got Copilot open, you don't see it. It's as simple as that. If you've got Copilot open and you Alt-Tab, it sees it. So it's just seeing it as a open application. And I think what a lot of people were thinking is Copilot was always there in Alt-Tab and it was this major change to the way that Alt-Tab works. It's not. It's just, if you've got it open, it's there. If you don't have it open, you won't see it and there's no changes. So I think it's worth clearing that up. The rest of the changes were just fixes. They fixed some issues with the File Explorer, and the contents menu would sometimes have background transparencies and things like that. That's been fixed, and they fixed an issue where the search box wasn't showing correctly when you're in gallery. They fixed some issues with Explorer exe crashing and some narrator issues. Now there are still some known issues with this build. Some have been around for a while. So in all apps, PWA apps may show as system apps. I checked this before and I haven't seen any. But you see, like that one is a system app. If you had a PWA app, it could potentially show up there as the system flag. That's been around for a while anyway. And there are some issues with Copilot. So if you've got the home version of Windows, then you might find that this has disappeared. The new icon is not showing in the latest builds as well, so they're looking at that. And the rest of and that's it really. So that's the main issues with this build, main fixes. So don't panic. Task Manager Alt-Tab is not broken or not changing. Microsoft aren't putting Copilot directly in it. It's just if you've got it open, it'll show up there. If you haven't, it doesn't. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you on the next one.